Step number 1 is to go on YouTube. Step number 2, find a video you would like to watch. Step number 3 is to watch the video for at least 30 seconds. And you will get paid hundreds of dollars. And yes, you can be making up to thousands of dollars too by just doing this. And I will be showing you the secret tips on how you can even improve it. So, by watching YouTube videos, you can be earning around thousands of dollars, or per video, you will be earning $10. That is an insane amount of money per video. And a lot of people have been doing this in order to earn money in their spare time and even full time. If you do this full time, you will probably be able to earn $100 a day. Now, YouTube is available worldwide, so no matter where you are, you will be able to do this no matter where you are. So you might be asking, how am I supposed to just watch a YouTube video and get paid? You can be watching the video you like and immediately get paid. It is that simple to be earning money with this method. And I will be showing you right now how you can easily do it. Hey everybody, my name is Make Money Boss and welcome back to an amazing new video. And today I do have something new today, and it is to be being able to make money by just watching YouTube videos. Now, let's get started on how you can be making money by just watching YouTube videos. Stay tuned. Alright, the first thing you need to do is simply go to YouTube. And when you're on YouTube, you're simply just gonna go to their more from YouTube section, and you're gonna get choices for gaming, live, and sports, and so much more. You have a lot of options to choose from. So I'm just gonna choose gaming, and let's see what's up there. And wow, we have a lot of options for gaming. How about we just choose Minecraft, since that's a trending one apparently. Let's choose that one. And then you have a lot of options for many videos. So let's click on this one, for example, and then skip the ad. But you can see you can easily watch this video for around 30 seconds and get paid. But I'm going to show you how you can actually get the money. So the thing you're going to do is go on a website called shrinkearn.com. You can see it on the screen here. It's called shrinkearn.com. So what you easily do on this website is basically put on a link, shorten it, and easily get paid. You basically earn money to shorten links. I know it's like bit.ly, but you get paid actually. And I've actually looked at other websites too that do the same, but I found Shrinkearn to be giving the highest CPM out of any other websites that have tested so far. So I want the best for you guys, so go for Shrinkearn. They have the highest CPM, so I hope you use that one because they have the highest CPM so far. Now, to create an account on their website, you simply need to click on their sign up button. I already have an account, but before that, I'm just gonna show you their publisher rates. You can see how much you can be getting paid. Up to $20 from all the way up to $20 and $1,000 and everything. You can get paid a lot of money. So once you've logged in, you will be granted onto your dashboard. So your dashboard should just look like this. So on the dashboard, you can see you have your total earnings, referral earnings, and total views and everything. You might be just starting off zero, but I've actually tried this same method, and look how much I've been able to earn so far. $403 this month, and I've been able to earn a lot of money so far from this method. Now let's go to my withdraw page, and you can see here I've earned so far $403 like I said before, but the total amount of money I make was $5,538 so far. It's took a long time to do that, but you get the point how much you can be earning per month if you put real effort onto it. And you can see my withdrawal today was just $8. I didn't want to cash out too much, so and then yesterday was 500 and etc. and so much more. You can be earning this much money from this website easily. It's very simple to do it. So now let's go ahead and get started on how to do this. So the thing you're gonna do is choose a YouTube video you like, simply copy the URL, and then go to your Shrinkearn, and then click on the new shortened link. I'm gonna go back to their homepage and then click that new shortened link, and then you're gonna simply put that URL. And then once you put the URL, simply click on shorten. And then you have your shortened URL. So what I would honestly do is open Notepad and simply save the links that you shortened. Or if you just don't wanna do it on Notepad, you can simply click on that manage links. You will have it right there. So don't worry, you don't need to have Notepad open. But for the convenience, I'm just gonna click keep Notepad open, and then you're gonna copy a few YouTube video URL links. So, but the highest paying right now is Minecraft. It may change when different gaming games get on trending page usually. So, but right now it's trending on Minecraft. So we'll just go with that and shorten multiple URLs. The next thing we're gonna go is the next thing that I mean the next website we're gonna go to is basically steamcommunity.com. So Steam Community is a gaming community. To be exact, you can share your gaming screenshots and gaming activities, links and everything, talk about games. Now, you might be asking, what does that have to do with earning money? Well, let me just show you. So what you're gonna go is on their Steam Minecraft community, or whichever game is trending right now, or which video you would like to watch. It depends on that. And then what you're gonna do is click on join group. Once you do click on join group, you're gonna get an option for start a new discussion. So when you start a new discussion, you're gonna basically start a thread. It's just called a discussion on Steam, but it's basically creating a forum thread. Next, when you create a thread, you're gonna name your thread something like awesome Minecraft moments you will love to watch, and then put something there on the post. And once you're done, simply put the links that you shortened. And when people see that link and click on it, you will get money. Just like how I've been getting paid so far. I've been earning a lot of money from this method, and it's been certainly awesome. And I really want you to try this out too. So let's talk about the bonus tip now. You have been watching for a long time now, and I'm going to show you the bonus tip. So the next thing you can do is go on discord.org. Disboard.org. So on disboard.org, it is basically a place where we can simply find Discord servers, whether it's gaming servers or community. If you've never heard of Discord, I want you to sign up there and join the Make Money Boss server if you can. And the next thing you want to do is simply head over to their gaming section. And then you have lots of options for gaming and a lot of gaming servers. So the next thing you're gonna do is join one of these gaming servers, whether it's Minecraft or anything, or FIFA or Among Us, whatever you want. Join any of those servers and promote those links in those servers. Share it with people, and when people will see those links, they will be simply clicking the link. And when they do click the link, you will be earning money. You can also do this on autopilot. Simply just copy a lot of links and just keep pasting it on different servers. So, and Steam Community, of course. You can be earning a lot of money from this, and I really hope this helped you out a lot. And if it did, make sure to give a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you want more money making methods like these, and comment down below if you have any questions. I will be sure to answer all of your questions, and I will see you on the next video.